You think today's giant mine tunnels are for the trucks? You're right. But the real reason is about what those trucks breathe. The biggest revolution in metal mine ventilation was diesel equipment. When it entered mines in the 1960s, everything changed. Suddenly, we needed air for miners and machines. In just 1 decade, the fresh air volume needed in Ontario's mines doubled, with no increase in production, all just to dilute exhaust from these new diesel engines. Then came the real giants. Take the AD55, a haul truck used in Australia. Its engine is 485 kilowatts. That's over 650 horsepower. The rule is simple: big diesel, massive airflow. Each one needs a river of clean air, but only exactly where it's working. This created a huge design problem. To move that air efficiently, tunnels had to get bigger. They went from 3 by 3 meters to 6 by 6 meters, a fourfold increase in size. Diesel didn't just hold rock, it forced us to reveal the entire mine around airflow.